I got a fan letter from a young lady. It was a suicide note. So I called her. I said, "Hey, this is Jimmy Doohan, Scotty of Star Trek." I said, "I'm doing a convention in Indianapolis. I want to see you there." I saw her. Boy, I'm telling you, I couldn't believe what I saw. It was definitely suicide. You know, somebody had to help her somehow. You know, and obviously she wasn't going to the right people. You know. Anyhow, I said to her, I'm doing a convention 2 weeks from now in St. Louis. And 2 weeks from then in something, you know, and then eventually she also came to New York. She was able to afford to go to these places and everything else. So, and then that went on for 2 or 3 years, maybe 18 times. And all I did was talk positive things to her. And then all of a sudden, nothing. I didn't hear anything. And I had no idea what was happening because I really never saved her address, right? 8 years later, I get a letter saying, "I do want to thank you so much for what you did for me because I just got my master's degree in electronic engineering." You know, that's, to me, the best thing I've ever done in my life. And it brings tears to my eyes every time I even talk about the story.